Hey everyone, I want to make this video for a while and I thought this would be the perfect time as Shift stock price has exploded over 20% in the last couple of days. In this Shift stock analysis, you'll learn about their massive growth opportunities, strong value proposition, and you'll find out why I believe investing in Shift stock is a potential 10x opportunity. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. I really appreciate your support. Along with Carvana and Vroom, Shift is an online used car retailer where people can buy and finance a car online and get the car delivered to their door. A big advantage of buying a car from an online car retailer like Shift is that car shoppers are in complete control of the buying process and can save hours of their time at the car dealership by purchasing online. Just like traditional car dealerships, Shift makes money on the margin between what they pay and what they sell the car for. And they make money on the back end of the transaction with financing and other warranty and insurance products. Carvana is the market leader by a big margin with a market cap of $50 billion. Vroom is second with a market cap of $6 billion. And Shift is the smallest as an $800 million company. Shift is the smallest player right now, but Shift's customers seem to have a better car buying experience than Carvana and Vroom. On Trustpilot, Carvana has an average rating, Vroom has a bad rating, and Shift has a great rating with a 4-star average rating. Over time, Shift's emphasis on customer experience and their investments in their technology will play a big role in Shift gaining market share in a huge market. Most investors don't realize how big the used car market is. The used car market in the United States is an $840 billion a year opportunity, but it's less than 1% penetrated. Shift, Carvana, and Vroom have positioned themselves to take advantage of the shift to online car buying. Here's what Toby Russell, the co-CEO of Shift, said about the market opportunity.
This is an $840 billion market, and collectively, between Vroom, Carvana, and Shift, we represent less than 1%. Buying shoes or clothes is like 30% online. So we see just a huge trend and change going from like 1% of cars bought online to that 20, 30% relatively quickly over time.
I don't think it's that crazy that 20 to 30% of car sales will go online, because most people don't like the traditional ways to buy a used car that are either from a dealership or from a private party on Craigslist. There are 15 million dealer to private party used car sales per year, and 7 million people buy used cars from a private party on Craigslist every year. Shift, Carvana, and Vroom will be the biggest beneficiaries as e-commerce market penetration deepens. While all three of the biggest online car retailers will benefit from more people buying cars online, I believe Shift has a strong value proposition that will help them gain in market share. The most unique benefit of using Shift is that they offer test drives that are delivered to you. All you have to do is go online and schedule a test drive for the car that you're interested in, and someone from Shift will deliver the car so you can test drive it yourself. Shift has invested in the logistics to do this by building hubs in the markets they serve, which are under 10 as of this recording. Carvana serves over 100 markets, but this unique feature of Shift will help them as they expand into new markets. Shift is also different from Carvana and Vroom because they sell older and cheaper cars. Shift focuses on the largest segment of the used car market, which is cars 4 years and older. The average selling price of a car on Shift is $17,000, which is significantly cheaper than Carvana and Vroom. By offering a wider array of inventory and cheaper cars, Shift can appeal to more car buyers. Also, what I've noticed anecdotally is that Shift tends to offer more money than Carvana and Vroom when they make offers to buy cars. If Shift's pricing algorithm can outperform the competition by making more aggressive offers in a profitable way, this will give Shift a competitive advantage to acquire more cars. Just like the iBuying market in real estate with Zillow, Redfin, and Opendoor, people will sell to the company that offers the most money, whether it's a house or a car. I estimated Shift can earn $10 billion in revenue by 2030. For comparison, Carvana earned $5 billion in revenue over the past 12 months, and CarMax earned $20 billion in 2020. I expect Shift to grow rapidly and invest in growth for years to come, so I believe that $10 billion in revenue for Shift in 2030 is a conservative estimate. Keep in mind that revenue for car companies is the total sales price for the cars sold and not the difference between what the car was bought and sold for. This is why this business is a high revenue and low margin business. Carvana and Vroom are currently trading at a price to sales ratio of 3.5. With $10 billion in revenue, and if Shift trades at a price to sales of 1 in 2030, Shift's market cap would be $10 billion, which would be a 10x investment from the $800 million current market cap. I expect Shift to still be in a growth stage in 2030, so it seems a price to sales ratio of 1 in this market is reasonable in 2030. Shift has a lot to prove for my bullish story to play out, but it's one of my favorite investment opportunities right now. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. In the comments below, let me know if you believe in my story or disagree. As always, bulls and bears are welcome. Thanks for watching.